Hey guys, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 best budget laptops in 2022. I've made this list based on processing power, battery life, build quality, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so whether you're looking for an affordable 2-in-1 model that's ideal for browsing the web or a higher-end model that can handle some processor-hungry applications, we'll have the best budget laptop for you. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products we mention, be sure to check the links in the description. Okay, so let's get started with the video. If you're looking for an inexpensive laptop that can still nail the basics and smoothly stream online videos or browse the web, the Lenovo Chromebook Duet is a great, affordable 2-in-1 laptop to consider. The Lenovo Chromebook Duet has a portable, versatile design that allows you to stay productive or connected almost anywhere you go. It's not the most powerful or advanced laptop on the market, but it can easily handle almost any basic everyday requirement. It's made from a sturdy aluminum alloy shell that can withstand some drops and has a fabric covering for added grip. It's very lightweight and only weighs around 1 pound, which makes it ideal for carrying between meetings or classes. It comes with a keyboard to save you some money on peripherals, although it's relatively cramped and might be uncomfortable for users with large hands. You get a 10.1-inch screen with a 1920 by 1200 resolution, and it produces a clear image, solid details, respectable brightness, and good color reproduction when streaming media. Unfortunately, it only comes with a single USB-C 2.0 port to connect peripherals, but you get Bluetooth 4.2 support as well. Currently priced around $270, you get 4 GB of RAM, 128 GB of SSD storage, and an 8-core MediaTek Helio P60T processor that offers enough power to stream Netflix smoothly and run some office-oriented documents with minimal lagging. It also comes with integrated ARM G72 MPS graphics that can handle some lighter photo or video editing, but it lacks the specs for more demanding content creation or gaming requirements. The battery is also solid and can eke out around 13 hours of runtime per charge, which is longer than other impressive 2-in-1 models like the Microsoft Surface Go 3. While it doesn't offer the same raw processing power as the HP Envy X36013, the Lenovo Chromebook Duet offers enough power to handle everyday tasks and some basic applications for an ultra-affordable price. If you're trying to save some money and just need an affordable laptop that can nail the basics and browse the web, this might be the ideal choice for you. For anyone who wants a solid laptop that offers similar general performance to some more expensive models for a much lower price, the Acer Aspire 5 is my choice as the best option for the money in 2022. Acer is a well-respected laptop manufacturer with several quality options at various price points. The Acer Aspire 5 is an excellent budget-friendly laptop with a large screen that can get the job done and power through everyday requirements like surfing the web or running multiple apps. It has a sleek, professional-looking design that won't draw too much attention in the office or lecture hall. It has a sturdy aluminum chassis to protect the internal components, but it's somewhat thick and weighs around 4 pounds, which makes it the heaviest option on this list. Unlike the previously mentioned Lenovo Chromebook Duet, it offers a full-sized keyboard with backlit keys and a dedicated number pad, so it's an excellent choice for office workers or students. The 15.6-inch screen provides excellent 130-degree viewing angles, ample screen space for working or viewing, and a full HD resolution that produces a solid all-around image. Under the hood, it features 4 GB of RAM and an AMD Ryzen 3 3350U quad-core mobile processor that can run Windows applications with minimal stuttering, stream online videos, and handle some lighter multitasking. It doesn't offer the raw processing power or graphics performance of the Acer Swift 3 and isn't suitable for demanding processes like gaming, but it's significantly cheaper and currently only costs around $390. The battery is also solid for the price and can deliver around 9 hours of runtime per charge to get you through your work or school day. The Acer Aspire 5 isn't the most powerful laptop on this list, but it offers decent battery life, a robust build, and comparable performance to some higher-end models for a much lower price. This is a great option if you're not trying to break the bank and want a solid, affordable laptop that provides good bang for your buck and can perform well with almost any daily task. Some users might be looking for a solid, versatile option that can handle almost any daily requirement without sacrificing performance. The Microsoft Surface Go 3 is my choice as the best budget laptop for most people in 2022. Microsoft's Surface Go 3 is a great affordable alternative to some of their premium offerings, and it comes with a lightweight 2-in-1 design that's easy to travel with, a quality display with vibrant colors, and decent performance for a good price. Like the previously mentioned Lenovo Chromebook Duet, it has a lightweight, versatile 2-in-1 design that can be used as either a tablet or a traditional laptop. It has a lightweight build that can be easily carried around and features an integrated kickstand that can keep it at a comfortable viewing angle when in laptop mode, though the optimal Surface Type cover keyboard is somewhat cramped. It has a solid 10.5-inch touchscreen display with a 1920 by 1280 resolution, which produces a clear and colorful image that's suitable for consuming media, but it lacks the color accuracy needed by creative professionals. For a current price of around $500, you get 8 GB of RAM, 128 GB of SSD storage, and an Intel Pentium Gold processor that can nail everyday requirements, productivity applications, and some multitasking, but it lacks the raw processing power of the Acer Swift 3. Unfortunately, the battery isn't the best, but this is understandable considering the tablet-like design, and it can still deliver a solid runtime of around 11 hours per charge. Even more, it offers a range of modern connectivity options, including USB-C connectivity for faster data transfers, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.0. The Microsoft Surface Go 3 is the best budget laptop for most people because of its lightweight and versatile design, decent battery life, and ability to handle almost any everyday computing task. If you can't afford to splurge on a higher-end budget laptop, but still want a solid option that can get the job done and offer similar daily performance to more expensive options, this might be your best bet. Next up, we have an excellent budget-friendly laptop that offers enough power to handle some more demanding workflows and games. The Acer Swift 3 is a great all-around option that provides impressive value for the price. Not everyone has thousands of dollars to spend on a premium laptop, and the Acer Swift 3 is a great and affordable alternative that comes with good battery life, a durable design, solid connectivity options, and respectable all-around performance with creative or professional tasks. It has an attractive and durable aluminum magnesium metal chassis that provides solid protection and a premium feel, and it only weighs around 2.5 pounds, which makes it suitable for students or commuters. Unfortunately, the 14-inch display isn't the brightest or most colorful on this list, but it has razor-thin bezels to maximize screen space, decent color accuracy, and a 1920 by 1080p resolution that produces a reasonably detailed picture when streaming content. It also comes with a decent amount of ports and offers an HDMI input, a USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-A port, a USB 2.0 port, a headphone jack, and a USB Type-C input for your modern peripherals. Under the hood, it utilizes 8 GB of RAM, integrated AMD Radeon graphics, and a solid AMD Ryzen 7 4700U octa-core processor that can handle basic tasks, some light gaming, and less demanding content creation requirements, which is solid considering the current price of around $700. The battery is also solid and can deliver around 11.5 hours of runtime per charge, which is significantly longer than other budget-friendly models like the previously mentioned Acer Aspire 5. You also get an integrated fingerprint scanner to help keep your important information private. The Acer Swift 3 might not have the same display quality as the HP Envy X36013 we'll mention shortly, but it offers superior battery life and enough processing power to handle some more demanding workflows. This is a solid option if you're a student, entry-level content creator, or professional who needs a powerful laptop that can multitask or run some processor-hungry apps smoothly. If you're looking for an inexpensive laptop that offers an excellent mixture of processing power, performance with demanding tasks, and battery life, the HP Envy X36013 is my choice as the best overall budget option that's available in 2022. The HP Envy X36013 has a higher starting price than the other options on this list, but you pay for performance and it offers a colorful display that's ideal for watching content, impressive battery life, and powerful internal components that can handle a range of tasks for a reasonable price. It has a sleek, stylish design that won't look out of place in professional settings and a sturdy aluminum chassis that can withstand some long-term punishment, although some might find that the hinge is a bit loose. The 13-inch screen doesn't provide as much space as the Acer Aspire 5, but it has a wide 16:9 aspect ratio for viewing media, a 1920 by 1080p resolution that produces a vibrant, detailed picture, and superior peak brightness. Even more, it features 2 USB 3.1 Type-A inputs, a micro SD card holder, a headphone jack, and a USB-C port, but it lacks Thunderbolt 3 support. With a current starting price of around $700, it offers 256 gigabytes of speedy SSD storage and a powerful AMD Ryzen 5 5600U CPU that can multitask, run modern games like Overwatch at medium settings, and handle some demanding workflows, but it's not ideal for in-depth photo editing or programming tasks. Unfortunately, the battery doesn't last as long as the previously mentioned Lenovo Chromebook Duet, but it houses much more powerful internal components and can still last for around 10 hours to get you through most of the day. The HP Envy X36013 is the best overall budget-friendly laptop because of its exceptional build quality, solid range of connectivity options, and superior performance with demanding tasks than the cheaper models mentioned. If you're okay with spending a bit more but still want an excellent laptop that can handle general-purpose computing, streaming, gaming, and some editing for under $1,000, this might be the best choice for you. Links to updated pricing on all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.